welcome back to my YouTube channel again. I don't know why I'm so excited because it's been a very long time since I uploaded last video and I don't even remember. I guess on 2nd of October, by the way I just checked right now. On 2nd of October I uploaded my last video, and as you guys might not know that I'm in my class 12, so I'll be giving my boards next year, and I thought what better time to pull some content out of this chaos. I mean, you know, if you will see, okay, so let's be real, 12th board is equals to prime content, and you will find thousands of YouTubers around who are filming their study vlogs, maybe book recommendations and day in their life or week in their, whatever. So why not me? I'm going to do that same thing. But let me make one thing clear, that I am not here to share the perfect Pinterest style aesthetic study vlog. No, it's gonna be me. It's gonna be raw, unfiltered, chaotic and everything, because I'm not productive every single day. I cannot study 12 hours a day, and I feel like if there are people who can relate to my content, I will be very happy to make like study vlogs, and maybe what mistakes I did in my 11th and how did I mess up. Okay, so coming to the reason why I messed up my 11th, because I wanted to live that college life, and that college life in the sense bunking my college, going to cafes. And I used to go to college at 11, and our college used to leave at 4 o'clock, so मैं direct घर नहीं आती थी. I used to go to cafe, I used to eat, and then I used to come home. My parents used to call me, और मेरा phone हर वक्त silent पे रहता है, so it's like घर आने के बाद मेरी धुलाई होती थी. So I used to go to college, I used to just gossip. मैं कुछ पढ़ाई नहीं करती थी, only like maybe the homework, पर homework सिर्फ हमें 2 teachers देते थे, and I used to not study. But you saw me studying only for the unit test. Basically I uploaded a video how ChatGPT helped me save my grades or whatever, but वो खेल सिर्फ unit test तक था, because I thought कि मैं 10 दिन पढ़कर I will just 80% लाऊंगी, 90% लाऊंगी, but no, 11th is vast. And that's a hard reality check, that you have to study. So basically I started adjusting, और 2 महीने हो गए, 3 महीने हो गए, 4 महीने हो गए, everything happened. और you have that thing, आपको एक point पे लगता है कि friends are everything and everything. At some point they are, in some cases, but not in every case, because I got backstabbed. यार मैं ना भरकटत जाते actually life मध्ये पण and video मध्ये पण. But anyways, I was having this misconception in my mind that everyone is like me, but not everyone wants the best from you. And that's the harsh reality. I feel like everybody knows it, but you kind of try to ignore that thing until and unless they don't backstab you. Whatever happens, it happens for a reason, and I am not regretting any kind of a thing. And I'm going to show you what I did in my last week, basically in this week only. And yeah, that's how it went. But what is important is, no matter how much you have failed or maybe कितने कम marks आए हैं, if you are having the hope that you can still do it, just do it, because it's better to do something than doing nothing, right? So you will watch me how I'm going to restart my 12th journey, and I hope that even if you relate some of the things, कि वो spark आप में भी जल जाए and you also start studying. So yeah. So the first thing I did was I took this diary. By the way, I got this from Mr. DIY, and I wrote name of every single chapter, and I did this for each subject. Also, I planned my July month. I wrote what things I have to complete. I wrote it on my whiteboard as well. And by the way, these are my college note basically. And उसके बाद I decided कि I'm gonna make new notes. So these are the notes of the first lesson of biology, and I made this pretty like nice, and maybe you can say maybe aesthetic or not, but I just love decorating and everything. Also I waste time in that is a different thing, but yeah, the first lesson is done. Now talking about physics, actually मैंने ये जो पहला chapter है, I started it early only on 16th of June, लेकिन उसके बाद I got distracted, so मैं भूल गई जो मैंने पढ़ा था. Then I started watching another one shot of different teacher, और वहाँ से I made the whole lesson very clear, like the 2 mark question, 3 mark important, like the PYQ. And at first it will be very difficult, मतलब starting में you will feel like the worst chapter ever, but once you get through it, it is easy. So now talking about chemistry, जो पहला chapter है, I actually started it in the vacation only, but right now I don't remember anything from this. So today only actually I started watching the one shot again, and I am doing the notes. I did some, I feel like 2-3 pages and that's it. So I'll be continuing this part in maybe my next video. Also मैंने organic का first lesson शुरू किया तो था, but then I realized it is too big, तो मेरा solution नहीं होगा, because solution I have already watched the whole video, but notes बनाने थे मेरे. So I again started with solutions. Now if you wondered कि ये check कौन कर रहा है, so then it is my father. वो सब check कर लेते हैं कि like what I have done today every single day, okay, and then he marks it and वहाँ पे sign कर देते हैं so that he knows कि मैंने ये कब किया है. Then a very fun thing, I got this bag from Amazon, but मैं अभी सिर्फ घर पे होती हूँ, so I don't use it, but still I keep like all my books. I pack that bag every single night. I don't know why I do this. I know it's so stupid, but I just do it every single day. So now talking about maths, basically this is like my weakest subject, so I make sure that I practice a lot. And here I was like completing my backlogs. I had 2-3 backlogs, and by the way I'm in rankers batch, so I prefer this sir, मतलब best teaching I will say. And yeah, I actually studied quite a lot that day. I don't know how my energy, just boost up sometimes and sometimes not, but I completed the whole chapter along with the practice set and the homework kind of a thing. Now to summarize all of this in short, I am done with the first chapter of every single subject, but bio ka third chapter is also done. I completed that today only. Now the reason behind why I didn't start the second chapter, because it's so huge and I'm so scared to actually even open that. So I did the third chapter because हमारी जो यूनिट टेस्ट होने वाली है, it's going to be in the middle of August. So मुझे पोर्शन कंप्लीट करना है तब तक, and यूनिट टेस्ट का पोर्शन is also a lot, so I have to cover up things more quickly. And pretty much that's what I did in terms of my study, and this is how I'm restarting. This is how I'm trying to correct my mistakes and not repeat them, what I actually did in 11th class. So I hope you enjoy watching my videos as much as I do when I'm recording them. So that's the end, and I will meet you in the next video. I'm not sure whether the next video will be study vlog or something kind of that, but right now I'm really struggling with long study hours, so I will be mostly focusing on that, and maybe the next video might be related to challenge. Till then, take care, and I will meet you in my next video.